Did you know there is a giant party happening in your mouth right now? It's true. Tiny, invisible guests arrive every time you eat a snack. Today, we are shrinking down to explore your magnificent mouth and meet the tiny party crashers. Get ready to become a tooth defender. Hi, Cubs. Welcome back to another super-duper adventure with your guide. Today's mission is super important for staying healthy and strong. We are diving into the science of smiles and the reason we brush every day. Grab your toothbrush and get ready for a trip inside your mouth. Let's talk about the super tiny things that live all around us called microbes. Microbe is just a fancy word for tiny living things you can only see with a microscope. Your mouth is a perfect, cozy home for many microbes, both good and bad. Good microbes help keep your tummy healthy, but the bad ones cause trouble. The bad microbes are the little party crashers we need to watch out for. These bad guys have a secret superpower. They love sweet, sugary food. They especially love sticky foods that stay on your teeth for a long time. When you eat a cookie or drink juice, you feed the sugar right to them. They start eating that sugar very fast, like a giant buffet. Then, when they are done eating, they leave behind a gooey, sticky mess. This sticky mess is called plaque, and it's the villain's cozy blanket. Plaque helps the bad microbes stick right to your teeth so they can party all day long. Plaque is almost invisible, which makes it a secret enemy. The plaque builds up along your gum line and between your teeth. We need a special superhero to find and clean away this hidden plaque. When the microbes eat the yummy sugar, they make something yucky called acid. The acid is the microbe's weapon, and it is very powerful. It tries to eat tiny holes right into the hard, strong shell of your tooth. Your teeth have a hard, protective coat called enamel, like a superhero shield. Enamel is the toughest part of your whole body. But if the acid stays there for hours and hours, it slowly wears the enamel down. It weakens the shield and makes it thin, bit by bit. These tiny weak spots eventually turn into little holes called cavities. Cavities are caused by too many sugar parties that we didn't clean up. Cavities can hurt a lot and make it hard to talk or chew your food. Sometimes the dentist has to fill the hole to fix the tooth. We need to stop those acid-spitting microbes before they cause any more trouble. The best way to stop them is by sending in the two strongest heroes, the toothbrush and toothpaste. We use these tools every morning and every night for the ultimate defense. First, let's talk about the incredible toothbrush, your super scrubbing machine. The bristles are like hundreds of tiny broomsticks working together. They reach into all the little cracks and grooves on your teeth. We always use a soft toothbrush so we don't hurt our strong pink gums. A hard brush can push the gums away from the teeth, which we don't want. You need to use the right amount of toothpaste too, not too much. For our little cubs, only a tiny pea-sized dot is all you need for your mission. The toothpaste has a super secret ingredient called fluoride. Fluoride is a natural mineral that acts like a power-up potion. It makes your enamel shield even harder, stronger, and smoother. It helps heal the tiny spots where the acid has tried to cause harm. Fluoride helps rebuild the shield every time you brush. So, the toothbrush physically sweeps the plaque away, and the toothpaste strengthens your teeth. Brushing is a two-part victory over the microbe villains. We are several minutes into our mission to become tooth defenders. Let's review the enemies. Fact 1. Microbes are tiny living things that love to party on your teeth. Fact 2. They eat sugar and make sticky goo called plaque. Fact 3. The plaque makes acid that can create a cavity hole. Great job! Now let's learn the best way to brush and win the battle. Our mission needs to last for 2 whole minutes, which is a long time. 2 minutes is the perfect time to clean every surface. Put on some fun music so the time flies while you are scrubbing. We start by brushing the back teeth first, because they are hard to reach. Brush your outer teeth in gentle little circles, like tiny trains going around. Make sure the bristles touch the gum line, where plaque loves to hide. Spend 30 seconds scrubbing the back teeth on the right side. Then move across and spend 30 seconds scrubbing the back teeth on the left side. Now move to your front teeth and use the same gentle circles. Next, open wide and scrub the inside surfaces of all your teeth. The inside parts are tricky, so tilt the brush up and down. Use the very tip of the brush to scrub the back of your front teeth. Those inside parts need to be shiny and smooth too, so the acid can't hide. Finally, scrub the chewing surfaces, where all the food sits and hides. We use a fast, short scrubbing motion right on top of those back molars. Make sure the bristles get deep into the grooves of the chewing surface. We call this the scrub, scrub, scrub part of the song. Don't forget to gently brush your tongue to send away any lingering microbes. A clean tongue helps your whole mouth feel extra fresh. You want your whole mouth to feel fresh, clean, and totally smooth. Check your smile in the mirror to make sure every tooth is sparkling. Once your 2 minutes are up, it's time for the final cleanup. Cup your hands and rinse your mouth with a little clean water. This wash sends all the remaining plaque and microbes right down the drain. Great job. But wait, there's one more secret hero we need. Floss. Floss is a super thin, strong string that can go where the brush can't reach. Your toothbrush bristles can't squeeze into the tight spaces between your teeth. Plaque loves to hide between the teeth, right in the cracks. The floss slides down gently, giving those cracks a deep clean. It scoops out any hiding plaque and tiny food bits. Flossing once a day is enough, and doing it at night is best. Ask a parent to help you floss, because it can be tricky at first. Brushing and flossing are awesome, but we have one more strategy: the food we eat. This is called the Defender Diet. We want to eat things that make our bodies and our teeth super strong. Crunchy fruits and vegetables are great because they naturally scrub your teeth as you chew. They wipe away some of the plaque while you are eating. Water is the best drink for your teeth because it helps rinse away any leftover acid. Foods like cheese and milk have calcium, which is like building blocks for your enamel shield. Calcium helps repair the tooth and makes it even harder. The food the microbe villains love the most is sugary treats and sticky candy. Eating too much sticky food gives them too much fuel for their acid weapon. It's okay to have those treats sometimes, but make sure to brush right after. Having a glass of water after a snack also helps rinse away the sugar quickly. Remember to visit your dentist, who is the Tooth Defender captain. The dentist cleans your teeth super well and makes sure your smile is healthy. They check your enamel shield to make sure there are no weak spots. We did it, Cubs! We successfully completed the mission and became expert tooth defenders. Now you are ready to protect your beautiful smile every single day. Can you remember the 2 most important facts we learned about your mouth? First, the party-crashing microbes eat sugar and make plaque and acid that cause cavities. And second, we need 2 minutes of brushing with fluoride toothpaste to win the fight. Keep up the great work, Cubs, by brushing twice a day for 2 minutes. If you love becoming a tooth defender, subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure. Hit that button to join the Curious Cub Club for more fun science missions. Press the notification bell so you know exactly when the next mission begins. Thanks for being the best and most enthusiastic Curious Cub. See you next time.